Are you ready for the juicy secret behind those super effective YouTube thumbnails that always get you to click? It's not just luck. It's a tale of mystery and intrigue. Join me as I delve into the shadowy world of YouTube thumbnail psychology. So grab your detective hat and let's get solving. It all starts with my thumbnails and titles. They took up so much of my time and my channel was still dead. I knew what emotion I wanted to elicit and what I wanted to promise, but not exactly how to pull that out of my viewers.
I'm given the hope on how to get 1,000 subs. Why isn't anybody clicking?
If my channel was going to get any momentum, I needed to find the angle, the key that no one was talking about, and I needed to find it before my next upload day. I reached out to my tip channel buddies.
Spencer, call me back. I need your help.
But they weren't helping. I was watching all sorts of videos, and then after all, I'm trying to manipulate emotions, so I changed up my search. But the information was so generic. Then I saw this one line.
My God, I think I found it.
And it led me to this one site. It talked about
twinkly lights, that's what makes Christmas bright. All different colors and all different types. I mean, sure there are a lot of white lights, but you need an assortment of lights.
the colors we choose for our thumbnails and titles can elicit a strong emotional reaction, and each color can elicit its own set of emotions. Red is often associated with passion, love, and excitement. If you want to convey a sense of urgency or importance, using red in your thumbnail can be a great way to do it. Pair it with an image of a character or a game screen. Blue is often associated with calmness, trustworthiness, and dependability. If you want to convey a sense of reliability or professionalism, using blue in your thumbnail can be a great choice. Pair it with an image of someone in a suit or a stock ticker. Green is often associated with nature, growth, and rejuvenation. If you want to convey a sense of sustainability or environmentalism, go with green. Green is great for fitness and wellness. Pair it with someone who's working out or eating a healthy meal. Yellow is often associated with happiness, positivity, and cheerfulness. If you want to convey a sense of fun or excitement, use yellow. In the fashion and beauty niche, use yellow to convey that sense of cheerfulness and positivity. Put an image of your makeup look or a stylish outfit with yellow to really drive the message home. The rest of the colors is in the description below. So I rushed to Canva and began designing with colors in mind. I used the Adobe color wheel, grabbed the right elements, used the rule of threes, and all of a sudden my views started ticking up. Because if you really want to create those great thumbnails, you need to know the rule of threes. And to do that, click this video right here.